You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce those very interesting words. I love those words because they confuse a lot of people. If you want to learn more confusing words, including vocabulary from cuisine, French in particular, stay tuned, I got tons more. So the top word is pronounced buffet. It comes from the French word buffet, but in English, buffet, because it comes from French, the T is silent. Buffet. Now, the bottom word in French is pronounced banquet. So it should be pronounced, you'd think, in English, banquet. But no, this one has been anglicized in its pronunciation and is pronounced banquet, with a T that is not silent. Banquet. So, buffet, a delicious buffet, or a delicious banquet. And now you know. Did you get this? Did you have the pronunciation correct before? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.